All right, Rob Frazier here. This video, what I promote on Safelists. This is what I promote on Safelists. I think it's a tongue twister. For me, I can't really say it. But mailers, sites like Hercules, ListJoe, Least, AdSpace, AdCheaver, sites like that. This is what I promote there. And this video is also part of a series. My first video was on traffic exchanges and the freebie offers I promote there. And if I remember, above here I'll put a link, the little card that pops out and says, hey, watch this other video. I'll link it there. I'll also include it in the bottom of this video, and I'll also put this whole thing in a playlist. So this right here is the second video of that whole back to basics traffic, perpetual traffic plan, whatever I decide to call the whole playlist. But this is what I promote on Safelists. A lot of folks out there say Safelists and traffic exchange traffic sucks. I say there's a lot of people out there who just need to be educated and need to have a plan. Because when I first started working traffic exchanges in Safelists, and this video's on Safelists, mailers, whatever you want to call them, I was overwhelmed. It's overwhelming. It was just too much. I was just getting bombarded with emails, and I wouldn't get any sort of traction. But once I took a step back and started watching what other people were doing, started watching the plans that were put together and how they would advertise different things, it started to click. And in fact, after this video, I'm going to include a link to this video. It's how I work these Safelists quickly and efficiently without overwhelm. And if I remember, I'll link it above in one of those little fancy little cards here, like, you know, when YouTube pops out that little thing. Or I'll link to this video in the description, and I'll also put it in the playlist as well. So with that being said, what I promote on Safelists, so this video is what. This video you'll see will be how. You'll see how I surf, how I send out my daily emails, what tools I use. So be sure to check that out. But what I promote, very simple. Modeling after a gentleman named Edward Keat. He's another marketer. He promotes different things, but I take what he does. Sometimes I'll use it, and sometimes I'll sprinkle my little essence on it, if you will. I'll change it. You know, I'll model what he does, but I'll change it just a tad. So what I promote is, and also if you watch my traffic exchange video, I talk about 2 combos in that video. This right here is that third combo. So 3 combos to list building and affiliate marketing success. Okay, Rob, you rambled long enough. Get to it. So this is what I promote. One capture page. I don't divide up my credits and promote 10,000 different things. Traffic exchanges, I promote the 2 combos, cash juice, traffic ad bar, and then the traffic exchange profit system, which combines Leads Leap and TE Hoopla. But for Safelists and solo ads for that matter, 100%, this is the Super Funnel CPA marketing course that basically I have Leads Leap, which is free to join. You can get this page for free. You can get this page for free. And then the Super Funnel. So in fact, when people come here, every single day I send out an email to my Safelists and I promote this page right here. And in fact, if you watch that other how I promote on Safelists without overwhelm, you'll see how I get my emails. Basically, I take what everyone else is sending out, see what I like, model it, and send it out and test it myself. So when people opt in here, short little intro video for me. Try to keep it short, but it's close to 15 minutes because I like to talk about. There's so much information to pass, it's hard to keep it concise sometimes. But when they opt in, short little intro, talking about joining the programs for free, and underneath, Leads Leap link, get that for free, and the CPA Super Funnel, get that for free. So what that is basically the marketing system. You get the capture page here, you get the sales page here, Eventually I'll come down here and update the share codes with whenever I create them. And then the links to your lead sleep and the links to your CPA super funnel. The CPA super funnel, when you click here, it's going to take you to the capture page. While that is loading on my Country Bumpkin Wi-Fi, I'm going to talk about what you get. This right here is one of the capture pages. Go ahead and opt in. You'll check it out. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll include a link underneath this video as well. But what do you get? You get access to the super funnel, which was created by a guy named George Wickens. And this right here is CPA marketing in essence. And what I mean by that is it's called cost per acquisition. You don't have to pay to play. And in fact, when you complete step 3 is called OLSP. What it is basically a traffic training, a whole group in training created by a guy named Wayne Crow. The traffic boot camp is what you want to go through, and just for completing the traffic boot camp, you will get $20 just for completing the training. As you can see on that previous screen, I earned 95 some odd bucks. But just for going through this traffic training and completing it, you get 20 bucks. So you can't beat that. This whole thing is free, and you get paid $20 for completing step 3, the traffic boot camp. Now, there are paid upgrades when you're coming through the super funnel. He has an email series. He has a done-for-you service. He has a couple of other things that are optional. You do not need them. But if you're brand new, I would recommend going with them, but it's not needed. You don't need them to get started. You can join everything for free, set it up yourself. It's just one of those things based on your experience. If you're super, super new, I would recommend going with the done-for-you setup and the email swipes. But if you're pretty savvy, you can kind of figure it out yourself, then it's the same thing. And it's not expensive. The super funnel stuff, I think the highest product in there is like either 30 or 60 bucks. It's not bad. I mean, it's really reasonably priced. And so because of this, these 3 pieces are free. Lead Sleep, you can get your free account. You can replicate these same pages for yourself, and it's free. The super funnel is free, and the OLSP system is free. And it's not a cheap, rinky-dink, crappy system either. I mean, the training is very, very, it's pretty. I know there's a lot of people on the internet that say the training is so good and it's so amazing and my mind was blown and blah, blah, blah. It's good training. Just take it from me. I've been in internet marketing since 2015 full time. It's very solid training. I'm not going to say it's the best training and you'll be a freaking millionaire if you apply to training. It'll blow your mind and it's all amazing and great. I'm not that type of hype-filled person. But if you want some solid training, just a solid system to get started, and it's free, and it's something that you can promote to other people and get paid doing, it's a solid system. And promoting this on Safelists, a lot of people say Safelists traffic is crappy traffic, but you're meeting people where they're at. A lot of people on Safelists are simply other marketers who are promoting their own thing, but if they're like me, and I know they are, they're unorganized, they're overwhelmed, they're just clicking on all these emails just to get some traffic, and they're not really getting any traction. Whereas with me, I give folks a step-by-step plan to use traffic exchanges, my previous video, Safelist, this video, and then I have a fast-track to full-time plan, which includes mid to high-ticket type-ish programs with a progression. And then same thing with the traffic. We start out with traffic exchanges. We move on to Safelists. Then we move on to solo ads, and then we start using social media, YouTube, blogs, things like that. But it's a progression. And the same thing here. This is what I promote on Safelists and most of my solo ads. Get them, and it converts all day long. I'm getting free Leads lead people. Same thing with the CPA super funnel. I'm getting people signing up, obviously $95 here, and I'm not even talking about OLSP. I'm just saying go here to the super funnel and go through the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You even get a free t-shirt. Some people do, some people don't. Either which way, it's up to me to just keep getting more people into the front end. And it's a very simple process, promoting this on Safelists. So, leads lead free. The super funnel, you get the super funnel free with the OLSP system free. And if you decide to upgrade, 3 streams of income. You don't even need to upgrade to earn income, because in Leads Leap as a free member, you sign up, somebody upgrades, you'll still get a piece, you'll still get a commission. Same thing with the super funnel. You don't have to buy anything. You promote it, people buy, you get a commission. You get paid through Warrior Plus, CPA affiliate network. Same thing with OLSP. You refer people to the system, they buy something, you didn't have to buy it, you get paid. Just like here, I'm a free member and everything, and I'm getting paid. So, that being said, wrapping this video up, this is what I promote on Safelists and solo ads. And it's free. My previous video, I'll talk about traffic exchanges. There's various different things I promote there. And then at the end of that video, you'll see how I tie in this piece right here. I basically connect with everyone who joined me in my freebie offers and show them this plan. Then when they get here, they get on my email list. Then once they're on my email list, I just simply talk about this plan. I talk about different pieces of this plan every single day. And that's it. I just keep repeating. So that being said, wrapping this video up. This link will be below the video. You can opt in, check it out. You'll go to this page right here. You'll be able to create your free accounts. After you create your free accounts, look out for a getting started email from me. Have this video in it as well. Check it out. My name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next one.